Good morning, everybody. It is 7/28/2026, and it is 5:38 a.m. in the morning. So we are going to take a look at what's going on around the nation, and we'll get to our temps and SPC outlook. We do have some thunderstorms, nothing severe in around the Meeker area, and looks like here in Colorado, just north of Grand Junction. As well as down here in around Tucson, all the way up to the Sholo area. And we get here to the panhandle of Texas around the Dalhart, Cactus, Dumas, and Channing area. And we do have showers, looks like here from Lincoln all the way down to Kansas City and Topeka and around the Salina area. You guys have some showers, as well as here in Missouri from, it looks like, Rich Hill, Warsaw, and Max Creek area. Over here in the northeast, anywhere from Huntington, and I believe they do have a special weather statement with 40-mile-an-hour winds and half-inch hail, and that will go from Moorhead, looks like going all the way up to Greensburg and Pittsburgh area, going into Rochester. Here in New York, you do have some thunder showers, and anywhere from Scranton, Allensworth here in Pennsylvania to Ogdensburg, we do have that line, Utica, Syracuse area. Other than that, guys, we are going to go ahead and take a look really quick at the current temperatures here in Chester, and we do have scattered clouds, temperatures at 78. It feels like 79. The wind speed is at 7 miles per hour. Humidity is at 84%. So for today, guys, we got a few clouds. It's going to be partly sunny today, and then we'll go to mostly cloudy in the afternoon. And that's when we expect some rain showers, maybe after 3 o'clock in and around the area. As far as that, guys, your temps. We are looking at temps around 93 to about 96 in the Randolph County area, with your real field temperatures around 102 to 104 in Kaskaskia, 102 in Chester, and 103 in Prairie du Rocher and St. Genevieve, with our lows around 70 to 72. As far as that, guys, we are going to take a look at as far as the hazards for today, and we do have extreme heat warnings from Tonopah, Las Vegas area, all the way down to Yuma, Tucson, and Phoenix. And then we got a few spots here in New Mexico, but anywhere from El Paso to around St. Louis, to include Oklahoma, Dallas, Houston, New Orleans, looks like Charleston, all the way down to Jackson here in Florida, or Jacksonville here in Florida. You guys will be in a heat advisory, and then we have anywhere from Oklahoma City to St. Louis, all the way down to Jackson, Mississippi, and close to Nashville, to include Memphis and Little Rock. You guys will be in the extreme heat warning. We do have some patchy fogs around Virginia Beach, Roanoke, and Elizabeth City area here in Virginia and North Carolina. And then up here in and around the Great Lakes, guys, you guys are going to have some high waves up in that area. And we do have in the northern part of North Dakota some dense fog, and it looks like the eastern northeast part of Minnesota going into northern Wisconsin and northern Michigan around the Marquette area. You guys will have dense fogs there as well. We do have a flood watch in the northern part of New Mexico, and then up here in and around the Sterling and Lamont area and Pueblo. It looks like you guys will be having a flash flood watch. So a flood watch in the rest of the light green area. Down here in Texas, the Nueces River, guys, are looks like it will be having a flood warning, and it will expire, I guess, July the 29th at 6:12 a.m. in the morning. So if you're in that area, be careful if you're going around that river. Other than that, guys, we do have looks like big waves off of Port St. Joe. We got a special marine warning, so there's heavy knot winds and some high waves in that area. Other than that, guys, we are going to go ahead and take a look at our SPC outlook for today, and we'll start off with the general thunder, and that will be from Salt Lake to Phoenix. It looks like going to Minnesota all the way down to New Orleans, Miami, and up here in New Hampshire and Vermont area. If you're in this light area, guys, you're in the general thunder. Anywhere from Scottsbluff, Nebraska, going to Pueblo in Colorado, you guys will be in a marginal risk. We get over here to the East Coast, anywhere from New York, Nashville to Charleston, South Carolina, in that green, you guys will be in a marginal risk. And your slight risk will be from Knoxville, Columbia, all the way up to around to Washington and southern Pennsylvania. As far as that, guys, your tornado risk, you do have that 2% from Washington to Charlotte to Fayetteville. And if you're in the Raleigh, Richmond, and Virginia Beach area, you guys will be in that 5% as far as your tornado risk. As far as your wind risk, guys, 5% from New York to Nashville, Chattanooga, all the way down to Charleston, South Carolina. You guys will be in that 5%, 15% from Columbia, Knoxville, up to the southern part of Pennsylvania, to include Washington. You guys will be in that 15%, and your 30% will be in the Charlotte, Raleigh, Roanoke, and Virginia Beach, Washington area. Your 5% hail risk is going to be from Columbia, Knoxville, all the way up to southern Pennsylvania, to include Roanoke area. For today, as well as Scottsbluff all the way to Pueblo, Colorado. And that is your SPC outlook, guys. I wanted to show you something real quick. Let me get back here to the radar really quick. And this is what happened yesterday in Appleton, Menasha, Neenah, Wisconsin. 11:56 to 12:25. You guys had a tornado about noontime and went about 6.5 miles per hour. And this is some of the damage it did. But these are the three types of radars we have here. And this was a rotation, the CC, and the velocity radars that you see here on Weatherfront. As far as that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and plug Weatherfront in for today. You can get this in a web browser, and they have it early pass release on the Android. So if you go to the Google Play Store, you guys can download that, check it out, and give your feedback. You also can download this on the Apple iOS. And guys, for $9.99 a month, you get all the advanced features. It's like the NASCAR racing compared to go-kart racing. This is a good app, guys. This is what I use here on my podcast. So you can have radars, models, satellite, observation, outlooks, and you can also plan routes with this soon here on Android. But if you got it on Apple or launch it in your browser, you can do route planning. Other than that, guys, if you're going to do any yard work, I don't know when you're actually going to do it, but if we have rain in the afternoon, you won't be able to do it. If it's too hot, just take frequent breaks. But other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow morning.